Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install the vim in lubuntu. For that, open the shell and then type this command sudo apt-get install and vim. After that, it will start downloading the vim. Before that, you have to enter the password and then it will download that vim for you. Just press S and it has started downloading, and installation is also happens automatically. And after that, you can launch that using vim command. So it takes a file to download that vim, and then depending on internet speed or your memory of your memory configuration of your laptop, it takes a file to download and install that vim. Till then you can just relax. Delete this portion, download portion, delete that, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete that. It is taking very long time, and yeah, it is started now. So the vim is installed and I'm gonna launch that. So here is my vim, and I can just go here and then start typing. For that, I have to go to the insert mode and then do hello. Then to come out of that, just press escape key and then :Q. You have to put WQ, and then that's how you can change that file. If you do cat series, as you can see, the file is changed. So that's how you can use vim in Linux. If you like this video, hit like button.